Hey guys, Thomas with Pedal Jumper Adventures again. Sorry about the windy day, but hopefully the mic's helping out. We're going to be opening up a San Hima shower tent. It attaches to the roof rack of most vehicles. So got this off of Amazon. Got a pretty good deal on it. So we're going to open this up now, see what it looks like, make sure it came with everything, and then we'll videotape how the install goes. Because it's going to be going on a 2015 Ford Transit with Machins cargo rack on top. So hopefully everything's here. We can get this install done today, because then next weekend we're going to use it. Get the manual. I'm going to hold that down with my box opener, also known as my screwdriver. Like opening a present. Should be all the stakes for the bottom of the van. I don't know. I was wrong. It's all the tools. Oh yeah, it's got stakes. Got all the. Got some tools. Got the attachments. There's that. All brackets. Does come with a couple of metric wrenches, it looks like. And San Hima shower tent. It's got the bracket on the back. Should go pretty easy. Nice. Alrighty, well, we're gonna go ahead and get started on it. Alright, so I gathered up my tools that I'll need for this, and now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get these L brackets, get them slotted on here, because I'm gonna actually attach this to the actual framework of the crossbars, because I don't have the mesh basket. So it'll be just as sturdy, but just attached differently. So not going to tighten those all the way down yet, because I'm going to measure them up, or get them sized up there, up on the rack. So I got it attached to the van. I attached it directly to the Machins framework itself, not to the actual rack, just because of the way the design of the rack. So now let's open it up, see what it looks like.